I've been a full-time photographer now for about 2.5, almost 3 years. The amount of stress, the amount of uncertainties, and the amount of things I had to do to make sure, especially in the first year, everything was going well. At this time, I knew a shit ton of people that got laid off, and unfortunately I was one of them from the tech industry. Although I've been shooting photography for over 13, 14 years, it was always my second job. But I think I found a hack for all creators out there, especially if you're starting off. Before I give you this hack, it has nothing to do with your family members. Your family members are probably even the worst ones to rely on if you're in this particular position, but a creative community is the hack. The amount of relationships I've built over the last couple of years from Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, even though I don't have a high following on YouTube, still people reach out. It's been absolutely nuts seeing the type of responses I've seen for my content. The creative community is people you can rely on, especially on Instagram. I feel that community, especially when it comes to photographers, are very tight-knit. Oh, there are a couple of assholes out there, but don't mind them. In the creative groups I'm involved in, the group is constantly giving me recommendations for videos. We bounce ideas back and forth when it comes to photography, perspectives, and even YouTube videos like this. Now, I haven't been doing YouTube consistently for that long. It's been on and off for about 5 years. And when I mean on and off, there's 1 year I put up one video. But now that I'm a little bit more established in photography and my business is actually doing well, I want to get on here and show YouTube a little bit more love because the creative community honestly pushed me to do so. With the creative community, you could gain a lot. Not just on Instagram though, on Facebook as well. There's times that I didn't have any business and people kept on referring me in Facebook groups, tagging me in posts that people are looking for photographers. The community is actually the hack. These people have your back and you should have their back. I advise everybody either starting off, and if not starting off, even if you're well established, get yourself in a creative community so that way you're not doing this alone. The more experienced people will guide you, and the less experienced will expect you to throw them some knowledge. Let's make sure we're not gatekeeping and no one's gonna gatekeep on you. Hit that subscribe button. It's your boy Simon. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.